We are all here today because of you. We've come to celebrate with you and to rejoice in the loving spirit which you create when you're together. We hope that in your home there will be peace and great joy and also much courage. May you find the courage to affirm one another and in gentle trust to unfold to each other your deepest selves, your strength and your vulnerability, your yearning and your secret pain, and your most tender love.
We love you all so, so much, and we're so grateful you are here.
We're so grateful to have all of our family, friends, loved ones all here to celebrate with us this weekend. Thank you to the Nussbaums for really making this weekend happen. And just, you know, since the day I met the Nussbaum family, I mean, y'all been so loving and welcoming, and I'm truly honored to become part of this family.
Tonight is the culmination of a little moment in time that turned out to be the biggest blessing in life. I had a little moment in time where I also met Michael at a bar. That led me to the Nussbaums. That led me to a sister that I never knew that I needed. She's been my biggest advocate when I needed one. And it's just been the biggest blessing. So here's to just those little moments that add up to the most incredible journey in lifetime.
June 2017, I had never seen Amy so into someone and so like looking at her phone on the trip and like taking some time and just smitten like I've never seen before. And I hadn't met this guy, Phil, but I could just tell if he passed Amy's test and could make her smile like that, something really important was happening.
There's something really, really special about knowing that Amy Nussbaum has your back on and off the field. There are a lot of people in this room that know exactly how that feels, to be literally and figuratively supported by Amy. And I'm so happy that she found Phil to be that person for her. To Amy and Phil.
But while Amy has always been one of my best friends, I'm so glad to now include Phil in that highly elite group of people. And so with that said, cheers to my besties.
I've watched you growing up. I'm very proud of you. You've come a long way. You're doing fantastic things. I love this city, man. Love New Orleans. There's something so special about it, man. And you embrace it, you embody it, man. You live life to the fullest. You've always got something going on, doing something, enjoying it. That's what it's about. Amy, you're amazing. You've been perfect for Phil. We've loved you from the moment we've met you, and I'm so glad to see you guys finally getting married. I just want to wish you guys a prosperous, fantastic, beautiful marriage.
You and your family and your brothers who have become good friends with are the best thing to happen to Phil in a long, long time. And will be the best thing to happen to him ever. I promise you. Phillip, Phil, whatever you go by these days, don't ruin this, my brother. This is it. This is as good as it'll get.
But the best Phil we have yet to see is husband Phil, which I think will be the best side of Phil, the one that we haven't seen yet, and the best that's to come.
Ay, tan nervioso.
I love you.
Beautiful.
So are you.
There's a word we like to use here in Louisiana, lagniappe. Lagniappe is that little something extra.
I hate to do this to you on a wedding day, but you're fired.
God, I'm fired. Jesus.
I couldn't think of a better word to describe the Nussbaum family. It's lagniappe, because enough is never enough. Right? They always go that extra mile, be it for their community, their family, their friends, loved ones, what have you. It doesn't matter. They will always go that extra step to make sure everyone is well taken care of, and they truly just care about people, you know? And that's what I've just fallen so much in love with this family, and Amy's just been spectacular. It's been a glorious journey these 5 years, and cheers.
So let's give it up to Phil and Amy, finding love at the gold mine, which is known for flaming Dr. Peppers and regret.
pray that you may be granted a generous measure of blessing in the years that will open up before you. May there be moments like this one when all who are touched by your life are filled with hope. May those years be kind to you, and may the sweet goodness you already know grow deeper and stronger with the passing of time. And so we thank God for giving us life, sustaining us, and allowing us to reach this most joyous occasion. I ask you now, in the presence of God and your loved ones, do you, Phillip Alexander Delage, take Amy Caroline Nussbaum to be your wife, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better or for worse, for richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health, all the days of your lives?
I do.
And do you, Amy Caroline Nussbaum, take Phillip Alexander Delage to be your husband, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better or for worse, for richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health, all the days of your lives?
I do.
What a fantastic and great evening to celebrate the marriage of Phillip and Amy. Welcome to everyone from near and far. Everyone here loves a great party! Everyone here loves Amy and Phillip and knows they are family or friends, and thus we raise our glasses in toasting Amy and Phillip.
The best couple you can get is somebody that makes you grow. And you guys make each other grow. Couldn't be happier. My daughter-in-law, Katie and Renee, and now Amy and Phillip. So thank you, Lord, for this blessing. Love you guys.
Phillip, Stephen, and I love to quote, find movies that, we don't need to name, but we thought about trying to do this whole speech in movie quotes, and we got about 2 in, and we were like, this doesn't make any sense. But Phillip, you fit seamlessly in this family. My sister has not stopped smiling since the moment she's met you. I remember the first time we heard about you was at a wedding in DC, and my sister, Rachel, said Amy was glowing about this guy she met in Phillip, and it hasn't stopped for 5 years, and I can't wait to see a lifetime go together. Mom.
I love you two very much. I'm just happy to be here. Now, give me a kiss on the mouth.
Out in front of everybody.
By the power vested in me by the great state of Louisiana, Orleans Parish, it is my privilege to declare you husband and wife. Mazel tov!
Mazel tov!